In conditional identities, we are going to prove third identities, that is sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4 sin a sin b into sin c. We know that angle a plus b plus c equal to angle a plus a plus b plus c is equal to pi radian, because here we have taken angle a, b and c are angles of the three angles of a triangle. Three angles of a triangle. So a plus b plus c is equal to pi radian. This one we have to assume. We have to take in this problem. So now see here, first what we are going to do means the sin 2a and sin 2b separately we are going to add. That means sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c this. That means left hand side of the equation we are taking. Left hand side of the equation we are taking. So this is LHS, left hand side. Now see here sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus sin b, what is the formula? Sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus sin b formula is 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. So this is 2 sin a plus b by 2. A plus b by 2 is 2a plus 2b by 2. So 2 cancel. Next cos a minus b by 2. So cos 2a minus 2b by 2. So 2 cancel. 2 cancel. Plus this sin 2c is there. This sin 2c is there. This sin 2c we are writing. Sin 2c we have written. Now see here, a plus b is, we know that from these equations here, what we can write, a plus b is equal to pi minus c. A plus b equal to pi minus c. So in the place of a plus b, we are going to substitute pi minus c. So this is 2 sin, in the place of a plus b, we are substituting pi minus c. Pi minus c we are substituting into cos a minus b. This is cos a minus b. Plus this 2 sin c, this 2 sin c, 2 sin c. Now see here, you know that sin 180 minus theta, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta. So we are writing this 2 sin c, this 2 sin c, 2 sin c. Then this is cos a minus b, this is cos a minus b, plus this here 2 sin c, not this sin 2c. We have to write here sin 2c. This sin 2c. This sin 2c. What is the formula for sin 2c? Sin 2 theta formula. 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin c cos c. Now see here in this expression sin c is there, here sin c is there, so that we can take 2 sin c as common. So we are taking 2 sin c as common we have taken. Here we are writing cos a minus b we are writing. This is cos a minus b plus here cos c. This is cos c we are writing. Cos c we have to write in which way, in the sense here cos c in the c place. The c place we have to write pi minus a plus b. Pi minus a plus b. Here is there no? From this we can write c is equal to pi minus a plus b. So that means c place we can write pi minus a plus b. C place we are writing pi minus a plus b. So here 2 sin c we take in common. Now cos, this cos term is there. So cos c is pi minus a plus b. Pi minus a plus b. Now listen, this is 2 sin c, this is 2 sin c. Now this is cos a minus b, this is cos a minus b. Now here cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is what? Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So minus cos a plus b, minus cos a plus b. Now you know the formula for cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. What is the formula for cos a minus b minus cos a plus b? Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. For this formula is 2 sin a sin b. So now see here this is 2 sin c. You know the formula for cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. So this is 2 sin, this is 2 sin a sin b. Now see here 2 into 2 4. So this is 4. Now sin a sin b sin c. This we are writing sin a sin b sin c, sin a sin b sin C. We are seeing another identity, cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C equal to -1 minus 4 cos A cos B cos C. We know the value, what is that? A plus B plus C equal to pi radian, because angle A, angle B, angle C are three angles of a triangle. Three angles of a triangle. Okay. Now see here. Now let us take first this cos to A, cos to B. We add first separately. We add cos to A, cos to B. Actually, this is the identity, conditional identity. For this, we are writing proof now. We are saying proof. Left hand side we are taking cos 2A plus cos 2B. First we are adding cos 2A, cos 2B separately we are adding, and the cos 2C is there. This left hand side. Now see here, cos 2A plus cos 2B. Cos 2A plus cos 2B is cos A plus cos B. Cos A plus cos B, what is the formula? Cos A plus cos B, 2 cos A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2. So 2 cos A plus B by 2. So 2A plus 2B by 2 is A plus B into cos A minus B by 2. So 2A minus 2B by 2. So cos A minus B plus this cos 2C. Cos 2C formula, what is the cos 2C formula? 2 cos square C minus 1. You know cos square theta, cos 2 theta formula, you know. Cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now see here A plus B is there. No, in the place of A plus B, we can write here from here A plus B is equal to, we can write 180 pi minus C. That means A plus B place we can write pi minus C. So this is cos pi minus C into this cos A minus B plus 2 cos square C minus 1. Okay, now see here, this cos pi minus C is what? Cos pi minus C is cos pi minus C. Cos pi minus C is cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So this is minus cos theta minus cos C. Now see here, in this expression, listen, in this expression and in this expression, what is common? Cos C. 2 into cos C common, so that we can take 2 into cos C commonly outside. We take 2 into cos C outside from this term and this term. So 2 into cos C we have taken outside. 2 into cos C we have taken outside. Okay, am I correct? Okay, now what is the left here? See here, what is left here? Cos A minus B is there. This cos A minus B is there. Correct? No? Here what is there? Cos C is there. Cos C is there. C, how much we can write from this? We can write C is equal to pi minus A plus B. Pi minus A plus B. So C value is substitute here, pi minus A plus B. A plus B. This is here minus 1 is there. This minus 1 we are writing. Now listen here. Here minus 1 is there, no? So this minus we written. This here minus is there, that minus we have taken here. Now you know that cos 180 minus theta. This is what is that? Cos 180 minus theta. So this is what is that? Minus cos theta. So minus cos A plus B. Minus cos A plus B. Now we are taking this minus common, so that minus 2 cos C is there. In bracket, what is there? Means cos A minus B plus cos A plus B plus cos A plus B. This minus 1 is there. Now first we are writing this minus 1 here and this minus 2 cos C. Now this cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. What is the formula for cos A minus B plus cos A plus B? Cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. What is the formula? Cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. What is the formula? 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos A cos B. Now listen here, this minus 1. This 2 into 2, 4. So minus 4. Cos A cos B cos C. So cos A cos B cos C. So right hand side we got. So hence this is proved. We are going to discuss fifth identity, conditional identity, cos A plus cos B plus cos C equal to 1 plus 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. So proof for this expression. Proof. Now listen here. We are writing these two terms first. Cos A plus cos B. We are writing these first two terms separately. We are adding. And the third term we are writing here. Cos C. Now see here this. What is this? Cos A plus cos B. What is the formula for cos A plus cos B? 2 cos A plus B by 2. 2 cos A plus B by 2. Cos A minus B by 2. Cos A minus B by 2. And plus cos C. This what is it for? This cos C. This cos C is there. Okay, na? This cos C is there. Now listen here. Here 2 cos A plus B by 2. Here cos A minus B by 2 is there. Here what is there? Cos C is there. Okay, cos C is there. Now you know formula for cos C. Cos 2 theta formula, what is it? Cos 2 theta formula is 2 sin square 1 minus 2 sin square 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now this cos C we can write in which way means cos 2 C by 2 we can write, so that this formula is 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. That means cos C place we have to substitute 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Sure. We are going to substitute now. Cos C place we are substituting 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Now see here this cos A plus B by 2 is there. No, this A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 what we can substitute? Since we know that A plus B plus C is equal to pi, dividing by 2, divide this by 2. So A plus B by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus C by 2. Pi by 2 minus C by 2. That means in this place A plus B by 2 place we can substitute pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus C by 2. Minus C by 2. Into this cos A minus B by 2. Cos A minus B by 2. Plus this cos C. This is cos C. Cos C equal to 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Now listen here. This cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is what for? Sin theta. So 2 sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus this 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. 2 sin square C by 2. Now we can take common this sin C by 2, here sin C by 2. 2 sin C by 2 we can take common. So 2 sin C by 2 if we take common, here what is there means cos A minus B by 2 is there. And here sin C by 2 is there, minus sin C by 2 is there. Sin C by 2 is there. And this plus 1 is there, plus 1 term is there. We know from this formula we can get by dividing by 2. Otherwise from this formula also we can get C by 2 is equal to C by 2 you take left side, A plus B by 2 right side you take. So that C by 2 place we can substitute pi by 2 into A plus B by 2. That means here C by 2 place we can substitute pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2. C by 2 place we can substitute pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2. So substitute here 2 sin C by 2 into cos A minus, here this is what is that, cos A minus B by 2 is there. Cos A minus B by 2 is there. Now we are going to substitute here sin pi by 2. C by 2 place we are substituting pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2 we are substituting. Now here sin 90 minus theta is what for? Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So 2 sin C by 2 into this cos A minus B by 2. Now this sin 90 minus theta, is cos theta, cos A minus A plus B by 2, cos A plus B by 2. Now see here, 2, this sin C by 2, here plus 1 term, plus 1 is there, this plus 1 is there, plus 1 is there. Sin C by 2, cos A minus cos B. What is this for formula? Cos A minus cos B. What is the formula for cos A minus cos B? Cos A minus cos B formula is 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. So this, what is that formula? 2 sine a plus b by 2. Otherwise cos x minus cos y we can write. So 2 sine x plus y by 2 sine x minus y by 2. So what we are getting means 2 sine, these terms if you add b by 2 b by 2 cancel. So a by 2 2 sine, this sine the cos a minus cos b. This what is that for? Cos a minus cos b. Cos a minus cos b formula is what is that for? 2 sine a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. So a by 2 plus a by 2, a by 2 we are getting a by 2, and sine a minus b by 2. This a by 2 cancel, b by 2 b by 2 is there, so that b by 2 plus 1. Now see here 2 into 2 4. So we are getting this 1, we are writing first 1, this 2 into 4, sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. So sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. So right hand side we got. Right hand side we got. Sixth identity. Sin a plus sin b plus sin c equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. We are going to discuss now proof for this identity. For all these identities we are taking pi a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Sum of three angles in the triangle. ABC are angles in the triangle. Now see here first these two terms we are adding. So left hand side we are taking sin a plus sin b. With this sin a and sin b we are adding sin c. Sin a plus sin b. To this we are adding sin c. This is left hand side. What is the formula for sin a plus sin b? What is the formula for sin a plus sin b? 2 sin a plus b by 2, 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus this sin c we are writing. This sin c we have written. Now see here from this equation we can get a plus b by 2. Divide this equation by 2 and c by 2 take right side, so that a by 2, a plus b by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. That means a plus b by 2 place we are substituting pi by 2 minus c by 2. In this place we are substituting pi by 2 minus c by 2 we are substituting. So when you substitute pi by 2 minus c by 2, that means sin pi by 2 minus c by 2 is what? Sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So this 2 sin, this sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos pi by 2 into this cos a minus b by 2, cos a minus b by 2 plus this sin c we can write as, this sin c we can write as sin 2c by 2 we can write, 2c by 2. So sin twice the angle, that formula comes. Sin 2 theta formula it comes. Sin 2 theta formula is what is that? 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Sorry, here sin pi by 2 minus theta cos theta. Sin pi by 2 minus theta, this is what is that for? Cos theta. So cos c by 2. Cos c by 2. Sin c by 2. This is sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Now listen here, what terms are common here? Cos c by 2, cos c by 2 are common. So here in this cos c by 2 common, here cos c by 2 common, 2 also common, so that we are taking 2 cos c by 2 we are taking common. Now what is here? Cos a minus b by 2 is left in this first expression. In the second expression, sin c by 2 is there. Sin c by 2 is there. In c by 2 place, what we can write here? Here c by 2, in this expression we can write c by 2 is equal to, c by 2 take left side, a plus b by 2 take bring right side. So pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2. Now in the place of c by 2 substitute this value, pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2. So this is what is that? Sin pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2. Sin pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2 is what is that? Cos a plus b by 2. Sin 90 minus the cos the. So cos a plus b by 2. Cos a plus b by 2. Now what is this formula? Cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y formula is what for? 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So 2 cos x plus y by 2, b by 2, b by 2 cancel, a by 2, a by 2, if you add a by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. So a by 2, a by 2 cancel, minus b by 2 of minus b by 2, minus b by 2, cos minus theta cos theta, so that we are writing cos b by 2. Now see here 2 into 2 is how much? 4. 4 into cos a by 2, this cos b by 2, this cos c by 2. So we got right hand side of the equation. Hence sixth identity is proved. See here we are solving the problem. One problem, a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree, then cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is equal to n minus 2 into cos a cos b cos c, cos c, cos c. Then find n. Then find n. First option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4. See here we are going to solve this one. Take left side of this expression, cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c. Cos square theta formula, what is that? 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Similar way cos square b, 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Similar way cos square c, 1 plus cos 2c by 2. Now we are writing here this 1 by 2, this 1 by 2, this 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, all these are 3 by 2. Plus in cos 2a by 2, cos 2b by 2, cos 2c by 2, here we are taking common 1 by 2. So cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Now see here, this is 3 by 2, this plus 1 by 2. We know the conditional identities, cos a plus cos b plus cos c is minus 1 minus 4 times of cos a, cos b, cos c, cos a, cos b, cos c. We know the conditional identities. From conditional identities, cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is minus 1 minus 4 cos a, cos b, cos c. So this is the expression we got from conditional identities. So this value is equal to this one, this value. This value is equal to this value. Okay. Now listen here, here 3 by 2 is there. This 3 by 2. Okay, now this is 3 by 2. Now this is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. This 1 by 2 take inside. If you take 1 by 2 inside, minus 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 goes inside. What happens here? Minus 2 cos A, cos B, cos C. Now compare the equation. Compare the equation. See here, minus 2 cos A, cos B, cos C place minus 2 cos A, cos B, cos C is there. N place what is there? Means 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So n is equal to, we are getting 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. From 3 by 2, we are subtracting 1 by 2, so that n we are getting as 1. So n we are getting 1. That means first option is the correct answer.